What's up, kings and queens? Tommy the Naga here, coming at you with another video on how to get good at Shaolin Kung Fu based mixed martial arts. Today we're going to be working some jump crescent kicks. The jump crescent kick is a highly underrated technique that has given me a lot of success in sparring matches. To perform this move, you're first going to need to know how to do a crescent kick. This is best done off of your back leg from a forward fighting stance, and even without being very flexible, you should be able to swing your leg up nice and high with a bit of practice. Should look something like this. One more time. Alright. Now, to work on getting that arc generated and make sure that it would be slapping the side of someone's face, maybe put your hand on the center line right here, and as your kick comes around, try to kick it. It should be about chest height. Just like that. The strongest attribute of this kick is that it's very fast, and is also something most opponents won't have had used against them before in a fight. This isn't a very powerful kick. Really, it's something of a hard slap with the instep of your foot against your opponent's face. To make this kick more powerful, and also improve the odds of it connecting, you're going to want to do a jump crescent kick instead of the traditional crescent kick. So after you've practiced the crescent kick a few times and you've started to get the hang of it, now we can move on to the jump crescent kick. The jump crescent kick is initiated by first bringing up your lead leg as if you're doing a front push kick, and then using that momentum from bringing up your front leg to hop with your back leg and swing into the crescent kick. And once again, coming down onto that center line. Should look something like this. One more time. The front knee not only helps generate momentum to get this kick airborne, but also serves as a fake that'll make your opponent drop their hands to protect against a knee to the abdomen that was never really coming. Remember, first, knee up, jump, okay? One more time. Knee up, crescent kick, all right? It's two steps combined in one. If you're really struggling with this, it may just mean that you need to get a little bit more flexible. The good news is I can help you with that. And I'll be uploading a video on a Shaolin stretching routine which you can use to master this in no time. I'd like to add that I've been training an army of 6-year-olds on how to do martial arts, and they will find you if you don't subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and leave a like on this video and a comment below if you enjoyed it. Even if you didn't, do it anyways. Thanks for watching.